Hi friends, welcome to Chavi Mukesh Online Solution. So I'm ready with part 2, class 6 English chapter Tansen. Okay, so before we are going to start the topic, let's go to start our video with a very positive thoughts. Thought is saying that everything is easy if you are crazy. If you are crazy, if you are just like you have a like a mad person used to do anything, if you are crazy to do anything, that each and every work doesn't matter it's a hard or easy, it will becomes very easy. But you can't do anything, nothing will be easy if you are lazy. But if you are always thinking that okay, this thing will do later, if you are thinking always the passing the time, passing the work, you can say that okay, I will do it tomorrow, then everything, every easy work is going to become very you can say that hard for you. That's why it is said that everything is easy if you are crazy, if you have a you wants to do anything, then each and every work is going to become very easy way to do that. But if you are lazy, if you are feeling that you can't do that, if you have you are thinking that okay, I will do it later, then all work is going to become too hard to you, and it will be never is possible to do that. So I'm going to start with this very just thoughtful, you can say that with thought is there, very positive thought we have to take it. So let's go to start with the second topic, second part of Tansen chapter. As we have discussed in the first one, that was a Tansen and his behavior while he was a baby, or you can say that was he was a child. That time what happened, he was so you can say the naughty and talented also. So what happened, as we have discussed a little bit, that once upon a time while he used to go went to play in a forest area, and at that time only what happened, there was a teacher or guru, you can say, whose name is Haridas. Yes, I'm wrong, then it is just Haridas, who was coming with their disciples, you know, their students. Disciple, their meaning is, if I'm going to write here disciples, Disciple, disciple, that means a student. So you need to understand the disciple means students. So all the disciples were there, students they were there, and so he was coming with that disciples. So while that means Tansen saw, because he is very good to imitate the sound of any birds, is very easily you know, Tansen can do while he was a child, can imitate the sound of a bird, imitate the sound of animal, tiger, it is easy, means you can say that's very easy for them. So what happened, while they were there, they were passing through a forest, then they thought that okay, let me to be rest for while 5 minutes or few minutes, you can say that. That time what happened, that Tansin saw that okay, they are the strangers. A stranger, that means a person whom you have never met. So let's go to do some fun with them. So they start speaking and they start imitating the sound of you can say the tiger roar, you know. By just listening the sound, all the disciples of that guru Haridas, they all become scared, they all just frightened, they thought that let's me go to wave here to there. So they start running. Then suddenly what happened, the guru Haridas, he said, stop, don't just move here and there, be aware, because always a tiger is not harmful. If we are going to harm any animals, that animals will also harm you. But after a few seconds, what happened, a person came to him and said, there is no tiger, this little boy was there who were just behind himself, under just behind the tree it was there, and he was imitating the sound. What? So when that Kalida, you can say the Tansen came to near that Haridas, the guru, then what they did after that, let's go to read the chapter. Part 2 is there. So little bit things I will tell you in this. In this I will discuss about that, how what Haridas did with Tansen, how then after that you will come to know that what happened when the Tansen just going to be become a very good magician. Then after that once he just what happened, Akbar, you know, the you can say the great, who just insist him to be there in his court. So these things we are going to read today. So all I'm going through the book because I have to explain you. So it is say the next one after that, there is a tiger here, master. He said only this naughty boy. So when their person, I mean Guru Haridas disciples came to him and said ki there is no tiger is there, only this boy was doing this kind of mischievous words, or you can say the naughty work this boy was doing there. Then what happened? Swami Haridas did not punish him. Yes, because that was the very bad things that Boa dad did. But what happened? Haridas, he was a great scholar who has not done anything with him, wrong with him. He has not punished him. What he did? He went to Tansen's father and said, what said? Your son is very naughty. He is also very talented. I think I can make him a good singer. What happened? He went to his father, that Haridas went to Tansen's father, was Mukundan Mishra, and what happened? He said to him that your son is a very naughty boy, but he's still a good, and you can say very talented also. So I can't say only he's naughty and so I have to give punishment. No, he's very talented also. Talented means very, you can say that any part is very intelligent, you can say that. Talented, that means very intelligent of any work. Tansen, okay, very talented. I think I can make him a good singer. You know what? Haridas said that if you will send him with me, then I can make him a good singer because he can easily imitate the sound of different words. His voice is so sweet, melodious it is. So that's why I can make him a good singer. So Haridas just, you can say, insist to Tansen's father. What happened then? Tansen was 10 years old when he went away with Swami Haridas. He lived with him for 11 years, learning music and become a great singer. Yes, what happened? From then only you can say that Tansen went with Guru Haridas, and after 11 years they did a labor hard, you can say, to learn the music and all, and after 11 years he became too famous, or you can say that he's a great musician he became then. Then what happened? Great singer he became. He became a very great singer. At about this time, his parents died. But in the between only what happened? In these 11 years, what happened? Or at that time only, his parents died. But while our parents died, what happened? There is a wish is there, dying wish, you can say that. So there is a wish also that Tansen's father had. What was the wish he had? His wish was that Mukundan Mishra's dying wish was that Tansen should visit Muhammad Ghaus of Gwalior, right? So his wish was that, dying wish was there. Somebody said that I want to meet my son, daughter. मैं अपने बच्चों से मिलना चाहता हूँ, कुछ तरह से. लेकिन जो तानसेन के पिताजी थे, उनकी ये विश थी कि वह ग्वालियर के जो प्रसिद्ध है, ग्वालियर के जो मोहम्मद गौस है, उनसे जाकर वो मिले. क्यों? क्योंकि तानसेन के पिता जो थे वो ग्वालियर के जो कह सकते हैं कि जो मोहम्मद गौस थे उनके बहुत बड़े अन्यायी थे, कह सकते हैं, उनके साथ जो है रहते थे और उनसे बहुत ही प्रभावित थे, ऐसे कह सकते हैं. सो ही विश टू दैट डाइंग विश दैट कि वंस तानसेन मस्ट बी मीट टू द मोहम्मद गौस ऑफ ग्वालियर. मोहम्मद गौस वाज अ हॉली मैन. हॉली मैन कह सकते हैं कि उस व्यक्ति को जो जिसके अंदर में देर इज नथिंग रॉन्ग टू थिंक, देर इज नथिंग थिंक, ऑलवेज थिंक अबाउट गुड थिंग्स टू द पीपल एंड ऑल, हु लव्स टू ऑलवेज लवली पीपल, यू कैन से द हॉली पीपल. सो हॉली पीपल हम कह सकते हैं ना, हिंदी में उसको हम बोलते हैं पुण्य आत्मा. जैसे पुण्य आत्मा मतलब जिसके अंदर में कोई गलत ना हो, देर इज नथिंग, यू कैन से द लवली पीपल, यू कैन से दैट. So lovely people, you can say that. So many things you can say about that. So he was just such a great person. That's why you can say that Mukundan Mishra, Tansen father, just believe there, his dying wish was there that my son once will meet to the Muhammad Ghaus of Gwalior. Okay, and often visited him. Guess what happened? Muhammad Ghaus was a holy man. Mukundan Mishra had all along been devoted to him, right? And often visited him. While living in Gwalior with Muhammad Ghaus, Tansen was often taken to the court of Rani Mrignani, who was a great musician herself. जब तानसेन मोहम्मद गौस के दरबार में गए, ग्वालियर में गए, तो वो अक्सर जो है, बिकॉज उससे पहले ये जानिए कि तानसेन के जो पिता थे वो मोहम्मद गौस के यहाँ कह सकते हैं कि वह बहुत ही समर्पित थे, फेथफुल कह सकते हैं कि डिवोटेड थे, फेथफुल कह सकते हैं डिवोटेड, और यू कैन से दैट समर्पित कह सकते हैं, यू हैव डिवोटेड योर सेल्फ मीन्स फॉर द मोहम्मद गौस इज वेरी यू कैन से दैट गुड पर्सन वॉज देयर. सो after that what happened, just went he went to Muhammad Ghaus court. Then most of time you can say that often, their meaning is often, you need to understand often, don't read it often, OFTN, often means most of time, you can say that most of time, aksar it's called in Hindi अक्षर. तो अक्षर जो है उसको राजा के दरबार में ले जाया करता था. मिग्रेनेनी जो थी उनकी रानी मिग्रेनेनी के दरबार में उनको ले जाया करता था. ठीक है. हु वाज अ ग्रेट म्यूजिशियन हरसेल्फ. रानी मिग्रेनेनी जो थी वो भी एक बहुत बड़ी गायिका थी, सिंगर थी, उसको नॉलेज था बहुत सारे अच्छे गाने का, और शी वाज अ ग्रेट म्यूजिशियन, सो शी कैन अंडरस्टूड द फीलिंग ऑफ अ म्यूजिशियन. There he met and married one of ladies of his court. Her name was हुसैनी. और वहीं पे तानसेन जो है एक लेडी से मुलाकात हुई जिसको उस कोर्ट में, और उन्हीं कोर्ट में जो है कोर्ट की एक लेडी जिसका नाम था हुसैनी, दरबारी कह सकते हैं, उसी से उनका विवाह हुआ. किनका? तानसेन का. तो तानसेन की पत्नी का नाम क्या था? हुसैनी. हुसैनी ऑल्सो बिकेम स्वामी हरिदास डिसिपल. अब चूंकि तानसेन जो थे वह गुरु हरिदास के शिष्य थे, तो इसी तरह जो है हुसैनी भी गुरु हरिदास के क्या हुए? शिष्य बन गए. तानसेन एंड हुसैनी हैड 5 चिल्ड्रन हु वर ऑल वेरी म्यूजिकल. है ना. यानी अब जो है कि हुसैनी और तानसेन के साथ जो है 5 बच्चे हुए, और पांचों के पांचों क्या थे? बहुत ही अच्छे म्यूजिशियन थे. ऑल 5 their children were good in musical, you can say that. There's some who are very good in singing, some who are very good to play tabla, some are very good in to play harmonium, like that, different, you can say that. But they all, you can say that completely, they all are you can say that there was a complete musical family, you can say that was. So what happened after that? What happened? Tansen had by this time became very famous. Sometime he sang before Emperor Akbar, who was so impressed by him that he insist Tansen should join his court. यानी एक वो इतने फेमस हो गए, तानसेन became so famous, so once most of time, यानी बहुत बार ऐसा हुआ कि वो अकबर के दरबार में जाते थे और वहां गायन करते थे. एंड अकबर become so happy with his, he become impressed, you can say that, impressed, IMP. Impressed means became happy, you can say that, yes, became happy, or you can say that you can say that प्रभावित, अट्रैक्टिव ऑल्सो कह सकते हैं कि उसकी गाने से वो इतने अट्रैक्टिव हो गए कि उन्होंने उनको इंसिस्ट किया. किनको इंसिस्ट किया? तो तानसेन को अकबर ने इंसिस्ट किया. दैट मीन्स यू कैन से दैट किंग तो उनको एडवाइस तो नहीं करेंगे, किंग उनको ये तो नहीं कहेंगे, किंग मस्ट बी फोर्सफुली ऑर्डर विल गिव. सो किंग ने उनको सलाह दिया और इंसिस्ट किया, उनको रिक्वेस्ट किया होगा कि आप मेरे दरबार में आए और मेरे दरबार में गाए और मेरे दरबार का एक पार्ट बने. ठीक है. तो ये सभी चीज जो हुआ उसके बाद जो है अकबर ने तानसेन क्या किया? अकबर के दरबार में वो एज ए म्यूजिकल टीचर कह सकते हैं, और हमेशा जो कोर्ट में गाने का प्रबंधन होता था उसमें वो हमेशा गाते थे. तो ये जो है उसी प्रकार बाद में जाके तानसेन जो है अकबर के 9 रत्नों में से एक शामिल हो गए. ठीक है. तो आज हम लोग इतना जानेंगे. पार्ट 3 में फिर हम लोग इसके पूरे बारे में जानेंगे कि जैसे अकबर के दरबार में गए तो क्या हुआ. तो आज के लिए मैं कुछ क्वेश्चन दे रहा हूं, उसका जवाब आप लोग लिखेंगे. पहला क्वेश्चन है, कमेंट करेंगे इस क्वेश्चन का कि हु was तानसेन वाइफ, यानी तानसेन की वाइफ का नाम क्या था. एंड इन हुज कोर्ट तानसेन met with his wife. किसके दरबार में तानसेन अपनी पत्नी से मिले. यू मस्ट कमेंट दिस टू क्वेश्चन आंसर. and I hope you will enjoy this all. You must write this all you enjoyed at home. Thank you. Have a nice day. Okay.